some girls have vampires for boyfriends. I got a decapitated head for a boyfriend. How totally awesome is that? His name's Nick. He wasn't always just a head. He used to have a super hot bod.
Juliet!
But then, a zombie bit him.
Listen, I wanted you to know, I kind of sort of, I fucking love you.
So, I had to do a little emergency surgery. I love you too, baby!
Juliet, what the fuck? Where's my fucking body?
If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I hope he snaps out of it because I love him so much.
Whoa, sexy.
He's super smart and funny, and he's not a perv like most guys. Do you want to have babies someday, Nick?
I think that's rather irrelevant, considering my situation.
But first, me and Nick are gonna get majorly aggro on these zombie douchebags.
Kill them all! Yes! And up you go, babe. Awesome!